left northern Michigan, almost to Grand Rapids, to pick up my buddy Mac. It'll be his first time out west hunting. He's been out west previously for ice boating and other excursions with family, but this time will be a whole new ball game with a rifle in hand and a great group of guys to do it with. So stay tuned. Lots of action coming up. At least that's my prediction. Here we go. My turn to drive. Beautiful sunrise. 1 hour till
South Dakota.
Yep.
Slept a whopping 2 hours last night in the truck.
Max got his elevator music on. It's awesome. About to be on Ox here soon.
It's Pearl Jam actually, but
Might as
same
well
thing.
be.
So, yeah, check in soon.
Officially off the clock for work. We are 2 hours from Aberdeen, South Dakota, where we'll be staying the night. Mac and I meeting up with Coop, and we'll get up tomorrow. It's Halloween. We'll get up pretty early and get to west of Mobridge, where we're hunting probably mid-morning. Shoot rifles, make sure nothing got bumped, and probably by early afternoon tomorrow we'll be chasing deer.
Feeling lethal.
Heck yeah. 2 hours of sleep.
Dirt naps and jerky snacks.
Yeah, dirt naps and jerky snacks. Over and out. Countryside Inn, Watauga, South Dakota. Got a place to hang deer. We got a roof. We got beds. Beautiful shower. Beautiful kitchen.
Great hospitality.
Got the place to ourselves until next Tuesday, the 4th. So happy Halloween. Let's go shoot some bucks.
It's cool.
See if we can hunker out of the wind and just knob a little. We'll be able to see all this shit. That's awesome. Beautiful bull elk. He's big. He's got 5 on the left side. I think he's a 5x5. I think he's got a busted right side. I think. Just eating the tops off of all that. Oh boy.
See how his finger comes out? See where this finger right there comes
Where
down?
this water is?
Yeah, right above that to the right.
There's a big carcass.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Could be a cow. Cattle. Beautiful 5x5 bull. It is windy and nasty. And he's down in that bottom out of that element. Getting some food. Just feeding. Yep, it's good to know there's deer down in this bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've probably seen close to 20 deer in this area. Jumped that 3x3 buck when we first got in here. We got a cow and a calf elk and 6 mule deer, does and fawns feeding in this bottom out of the wind. It was real brutal. We first got set up here with kind of a snow rain mix with some sleet.
Blue sky in the background.
Blue sky in the background. See the sunshine poking in.
Pretty stiff north breeze today too.
Yeah, stiff winds. Pretty hard to leave this area though. There's quite a few animals, just no bucks so far. Awesome watching that bull elk for a while. Cool. Probably close to 20 elk.
Yeah.
What? 20 elk? Probably over 30 deer. Yeah.
Honestly enough to where couldn't even keep count.
Bottom. Mac and Coop are set up about a half a mile west of me around this corner. I'm about to push a horseshoe where John and Mike have had opportunities in the past, so wish us luck here. Big buck around this corner, come on. Alright, getting close to that horseshoe. It's pretty thick. I don't know if there's like cottonwood or what, but big cluster of trees here that should have deer in it. I got Mac up on this bluff in front of me. Coop's just beyond Mac a few hundred yards. Something's in this bottom. We should get a shot at it. Come on, big buck. Here we go.
Dakota Deer Drive. Got 2 doe. Maybe even a little full over there. Walked quite a bit of this the last couple hours. Not seeing much else.
Alright. Another full day. Finishing it up with a little drive-by scenery.
Just saw
Ripped out of the truck. Levi saw
a little
muley forky.
bow range.
Yeah.
Could have shot him if he was legal, but
Yep.
and then what? Oh, those 3 whitetail in that bottom, but it was just off.
Yeah, and
2
they,
little bucks sparring.
they were on private, unfortunately, but let's see. Yeah, that was another. Well, day's not over yet, so fingers crossed. But just walked and glassed for what you'd say 4 hours, and saw a doe and a fawn, and then pulled up into this new spot and saw those four deer within 5 minutes. So
We've seen more antelope today than we've seen deer.
yeah, but
Huntable deer.
still trying here.
Is that the one he shot at?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yep.
That's a weird look.
How far was it?
Sucker, the narrow fork.
330? 335. He was pretty wide.
That's a poke.
I mean, it was a nice buck. I've got some videos, but it
Cool-
was so
cool buck.
windy that it was just jumping everywhere.
Yeah.
I was trying to get it.
Was there anything with it?
I wouldn't have done it. There's does all around, but not close to him.
Gotcha. Let's go.
Let's get it, brother.
Hell yeah.
Today's our day.
Today's the day.
Let's double up.
Day 3. Well, day 2 really.
Day 2.5. Morning on day 2.5.
Morning on day 2. Sunday, November 2nd.
Yep. Every morning I'm waking up and feeling a little bit better. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's only up from here.
Yeah.
Uncle Bill missed a pretty good muley last night, but it was quite a poke, over 330 yards.
Yeah. And it was pretty windy yesterday, to be honest.
Yep.
But,
Slight issues with the dimness setting on the scope.
oh, was there?
The orange dot, he couldn't see it, so
Couldn't see the reticle?
yeah, like he just couldn't. Yeah, he couldn't see where to aim because he had to have a little bit of drop, obviously.
That doesn't
Probably
help.
about a foot of drop.
But hey, we know they're out there.
Hell yeah.
We've seen them all over the place. Yesterday we didn't see a lot of bucks, but
Yeah.
kind of got our plan of the morning got washed.
Let's go, baby. Beautiful morning. Real calm, quiet. This is the same area that I shot my buck in and Tim shot his buck in last year. There's always deer in here. So me, Mac, and Coop are all scattering up on these high points. watch this big creek bottom, so wish us luck.
Well, about an hour later, and Levi texted me and said he saw 3 doe straight to my east, but they were probably a mile away, and nothing right in front of our theater here. But good news is it's me, Levi, and Goop this morning. So John, Mike, and Bill went a little bit further south to a different spot, and just got this text from Levi. Stud. Good shit, John. Way to get it done on the second morning. You haven't even been here for what? Actually, I think this is their first morning. Yeah, this is their first morning. So, I told Levi, I was like, hell yeah, it's great that John got one, because now we can all use John's guide service. But, jacked up for him, that's awesome. Freaking wide, big-bodied muley. So, yeah, if we don't see anything here for another half hour, Levi's gonna creep down this edge right here, and then I'm gonna walk this edge down there, and we'll meet Goop back at the truck and come up with a game plan from there. But one of the 6 tags have been punched. Hell yeah.
That away, John. Yeah. John punched his tag this morning. Can't wait to hear the story. I'm still watching this big bottom with Mac and Coop. We're spread out about 3/4 of a mile. Only seen the 3 does so far, but I just heard 2 hunters east of us shoot probably 20 minutes ago. They shot twice, and then right after that I saw 3 doe skyline, so this deer might get bumped around a little bit around us, so we'll sit tight another hour. Probably walk the edge of this bottom. But heck yeah. 1 out of 6 of us in the group punched the tag on day 2, November 2nd, Sunday. And the Lions play today, and so do the Red Wings, so let's go, baby. Well, that would have worked. Little Forky, he was bedded right below the cedar. I just got upwind of him, up the ridge here. I got like 50 yards from him. Could have shot him at 50, could have shot him at 82, could have shot him if he was a legal buck. But Forky, he just ran that way. Cool, it worked out though. It's the only buck we've seen all morning, so John's got one down. We're gonna move to a different area and go from there.
go see what he is. The 4x4. Well, I ended up, as he went over the hill, the cliff up here, I shot him right underneath, right up through the heart, split the heart right open. So he made it to the bottom and then done. Yeah, he was running dead away from me. And I shot him right through here, right up through the heart. Woo! Hell yeah. Nice. 4x4. John's 3x2. Woo!
Pretty sight there.
So he was where?
So you got a guy behind you some, or do you?
You're in the truck when you jump.
Really?
Like, shit, there's a buck. It's a 4x4.
Yeah.
You probably know.
Nice.
Woo!
It never fails.
I really don't think it's all that bad.
It's fine. It's fine at the initial, but the aftertaste.
There's for John's.
One more.
There's for Mike's. Wow, two down, 4 to go.
Hell yeah.